Welcome to the Downhill Dad. Stay tuned for this fall. Hello YouTube and welcome to the Downhill Dad. I am going to be riding Gnarnia at Blankets Creek in Canton, Georgia, or Holly Springs, Georgia, or one of those places. Join me. Climbing mode on. Hey. Hey, not much. Want me to record it for you while you do it, or? All right, no problem.
How you doing?
Good, how are you guys?
Hot.
Yeah, it's super hot. It's been a while since I did the Quell Holler jump line, so I decided to do 3 runs and see how I did. Oh man, I haven't rode this one in a while. Oh wow, I haven't seen this one yet. Oh wow, I haven't been since we did all this. And just when I was healing from my other fall, I did it again on a section that wasn't even that difficult, because it doesn't matter. You get complacent, you fall sometimes, and that's what I did. And I forgot to turn off time lapses because I totally slipped my mind this entire time. Well, just like that, the ride went long to really short, and it's because you get hurt and you shouldn't push yourself after that. But remember to ride for yourself and fully recover before you hit the trails again. Remember to like and subscribe.